Hello everyone. Today Asia Pacific University is taking us to an event and a career fair organized by Graduan Aspire Plus. So let's go and see how this goes. Let's go. So basically this event was held in KLCC Convention Center, and a lot of universities and a lot of people were there to attend the event because it was a source of connecting and getting jobs in different companies.
Aspire, and you all start clapping. So let's start that and try that once again. Graduan Aspire 2023. Thank you for your interest.
So firstly, they introduced what their company was basically doing, and it was doing great. They're doing networking and job fairs. So in this conference, basically the companies were going to interact with people and answer their questions and introduce more about their companies. The first company which introduced and answered people was Maybank. Maybank is the biggest banking company and most liked company in Malaysia. After Maybank, more companies came and introduced themselves.
And then from the Chief Human Resources Officer from the CTC, please invite Chief Najal Safra Muhammad. Please welcome him on stage. Looking positive and radiant as always. Welcome Mr. Danny Yap, Head of Department, Huawei Asia Pacific Business and Network Consulting Department.
So after the conference, there was a career fair in which every company was introducing themselves and hiring new interns and giving job opportunities to students. So it's a good opportunity to start. Good luck.